Greetings to Dr. Muhammad Zulkifli bin Selamat. We are presenting on manufacturing process of plastic bottles. We are students from BMCG S5. This is the board of presenters. We have Amira Noor Christina, myself Li Chi Hang, Noor Alia Umaira, and Noor Wafa Fitri. First, we'll go for the introduction. Introduction of plastic. Plastic is material consisting of any of a wide range of synthetic or semi-synthetic organic compounds that are malleable and so can be molded into solid objects. Plastic can be also cast, formed, and machined. They comes in a field operation and they can be easily and rapidly processed. They can be also joined, coated, or shaped into discrete products such as sheets, plates, rods, tubing, for later manufacture into discrete parts. Moving on, introduction of plastic bottles. Plastic bottle is a container constructed of plastic with a neck that is narrowed than its body and an opening at the top. The mouth of the bottle is normally sealed with a plastic bottle cap. Plastic bottles are typically used to store liquids such as water, soft drinks, cooking oil, medicine, shampoo, milk, and ink. A plastic material is any of a wide range of synthetic or semi-synthetic organic solids that are moldable. They are usually synthetic, most commonly derived from petrochemicals, but many are partially natural. Moving on is the objective of this assignment. First is to study the manufacturing process of plastic bottles. Second, to learn the assembly process of plastic bottles. And lastly, to explore the manufacturing issues of plastic bottles. Next, I'll pass to my group members.
Okay, I will continue with a manufacturing process, relevant process to produce plastic bottles. Blow molding. Blow molding is a manufacturing process by which hollow plastic parts are formed. It is used to make hollow parts such as plastic bottles. There are three types of blow molding. First, extrusion blow molding. Second, injection blow molding, and the last is stretch blow molding. Uh, the basic process to perform operation of hot plastic resins in a somewhat tubular shape is create. A pressurized gas, usually air, is used to expand the hot perform and press it against a mold cavity. The pressure is held until the plastic cools. Okay, the first is extrusion blow molding. In extrusion blow molding or EBM, plastic is melt and extruded into a hollow tube, a present. This present is the capture while closing it into a cool metal mold. Air is then blown into the present, inflating it into the shape of the hollow bottle, container or part. After the plastic has cooled sufficiently, the mold is opened and the part is ejected. Next is injection blow molding. Injection stage, molten polymer is injected into a heated preform mold. The preform is the partly shaped product that will be used to make the final hollow product by being blown into shape. The preform consists of a fully formed neck with a thick tube or of polymer attached. Blowing stage, the preform is passed to the hollow, chill blow mold. Compressed air is blown through the core rod into the preform material, inflating it and facing it against the side of the mold. Ejection, the blow from polymer is allowed to cool. It is then removed from the blow mold and stripped of the core rod. The product then passed to the quality section and is tested for leaks.
Okay, now I will continue for the last type of blow molding, which is stretch blow molding. In the stretch blow molding (SBM) process, the plastic is first molded into preform using the injection molding process. These preforms are produced with the necks of the bottles, including threads, the finish on one end. These preforms are packaged and fed later after cooling into a reheat stretch blow molding machine. In the SBM process, the preforms are heated, typically using infrared heaters, and then blown high pressure air into bottles using metal blow mold. So this we inserted the pictures. Alright, next is the advantages and disadvantages of blow molding. So the advantages are well suited to low and high production rates, quick product revisions for increased flexibility, tooling is less expensive than other molding, trim and flash reusable into finished parts. The disadvantages are environmental disadvantages affecting process and material limitations, machines typically dedicated to a narrow range of sizes, and trimming is required. Now we are going to assembler process or packaging. In this slide, we have inserted a video on how plastic bottles are made. So they are from plastic pellets. Pellets are heated and extruded into tubular forms, and then the extruded plastic enters the mold and blown with hot air. The bottle is released and excess plastic trim from the top to plastic drinks bottles. Next, I will pass it to my group member.
Next is manufacturing issue or aspect. Manufacturing issue. Plastic industry plays a significant role in influencing the process of all manufacturing units to fulfill the demand of a vast number of people. The manufacturer in plastic industry need to produce the plastic good in bulk. To fulfill the demand of the consumer will massive production. Manufacturers sometimes neglect the quality of the product. This creates many quality defects and errors in the product like melt flow rate, tensile strength, linkage, compression, defect in shape and size, uneven thickness of the materials, and many more. Next is conclusion. Plastic bottles are widely used for various products such as water, beverage, and medicine. Their life cycle includes 5 phases from being a raw material until recycling. Their life cycle assessment, such as LCA, starts with the raw material either from crude oil or recycled plastics, material production, manufacturing, product use and disposal, and recycling. This is our list of reference, and last is our list for appendix. That's all from me. Thank you.